Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions. Make sure your Bravia model supports the Apple TV app or plan to use an external Apple TV box. Once done, connect the TV to your home Wi-Fi and locate an available HDMI 2.0 port. If you're using an Apple TV device, plug it into HDMI and power. If you plan to AirPlay from an iPhone, update iOS and put the phone on the same Wi-Fi. Now move to Input Selection and App Setup. Now install and connect. Open the TV's App Store and install Apple TV if your Bravia offers it. Otherwise, prepare your external Apple TV box. Switch the TV input to the HDMI port you used, then complete on-screen pairing and sign in with your Apple ID. If using AirPlay, enable AirPlay in the TV settings, then on your iPhone choose Screen Mirroring or AirPlay to the TV name. Make sure both devices stay on the same Wi-Fi. That prevents common connection drops. Finish by testing playback and adjusting settings so picture and sound match your preferences. Play a short trailer in the Apple TV app, confirm resolution and audio format, and tweak HDMI or display settings on the Bravia. If things fail, restart the Apple TV device, TV, and router in sequence and retry. One key troubleshooting tip: if AirPlay or app streaming won't connect, sign out of your Apple ID on the TV and iPhone, reboot both. Then sign back in to refresh authentication and network sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.